Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today we are going to see how to create a workspace in Oracle Apex. Let's begin. Open your any browser. Example, I am taking a Chrome browser. Just type Oracle Apex. You will be redirected to this home page. Click on the first link, Oracle Apex link. This is the Oracle Apex official home page. You just search your whatever you want, like official documentations or what is Oracle Apex. You can study whatever things available about Apex. You can search in this. You just click on the start free today. You will be redirected to this page. In that you can see the pricings all available. In that you click on the free sign up. You will be redirected to this page. You need to enter your first name, last name, the email ID and the workspace name. The workspace name is the unique name for identifying your workspace and your location, that is country to which you belongs to. And below you need to select or you need to Oracle Apex as. If you want to select no, it's no problem, you can select yes. Do you plan to use Apex for education or training? As of now we are going to use Apex for training or education purpose. So you just click on the yes button and finally click on the agree to the terms and condition checkbox and click on the request workspace button. Entering your personal after entering the credentials, you will be redirected to this page. You will receive a mail containing verification or verification mail. You need to click on that mail to which you are given your mail ID during workspace creation. You will get a link for that. You just click on that link. You will be redirected to the Oracle Apex login page. You just log in with the credential whichever you received in the mail, including workspace name, mail ID and a password. That is a temporary password. You can change it afterwards and just log in to that website. Once you log in, you will be prompted to enter a new password. To set a new password, you just set a new password and confirm password and click OK. Then you will be redirected to the Oracle Apex home page. This is the Oracle Apex app builder home page. From here we can create a new application. You can do whatever you want. We will continue on the next session. Thank you.